Many events in India, not just musical events, begin with an invocation song, and it's usually on Lord Ganesha. Lord Ganesha is said to be the remover of obstacles, and therefore today we will also begin a song with a song dedicated to Lord Ganesha. This song was composed by Muthuswami Dikshitar. Dikshitar forms a part of the trinity of Carnatic music, who were all contemporaries of one another. They all lived in the late 18th century and early 19th centuries. And if you go to any random Carnatic concert today in India, the probability of hearing a composition by one of these three is over 90%. Like for sure, almost guaranteed you'll hear at least one composition from one of these three. That's how popular these composers are. And this song, without further delay, we'll get started. This song is called Vatapi Ganapatim. And this song is based in a rag, beautiful rag called Hamsadvani, which means the sound of the swan. And it's set to an 8-beat rhythmic cycle called Aditala. So, Vatapi Ganapatim Bhajan.